Well, this is where you put your foot. So when it water comes down there, it won't soak your feet up in your socks and your shoes.
Yeah.
Unless you got sandals. Alright, who's gonna get wet?
I don't know.
That is the question. I got it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, see me do it. Do it.
Here we go.
Put your hand. Got it.
So, see, why is this side like no, it's all Jeremy. Because we just, kickback.
Point.
Wow. Why do we have to be this way?
Oh.
Oh, my phone.
Why?
Oh, I hope my phone.
Why? No.
Oh, my phone's gonna be okay.
Your phone's okay.
Bro.
Just two.
Hit the bump, turn around. There you go. Alright, cool. Now it's their turn.
I hope my phone's gonna be okay though.
Fine.
Race for impact. Oh, no.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah!
Whoa.
I'm getting misted, but no. Why? Oh! That was a nice turn. That was, oh my God. That was a nice, whoa. Whoa! Kind of out of control here, though. That's kind of cool. Whoa. No. Just got a little misted. All right.
Am I in the splash?
Again? Again? I got them. It doesn't have a... Wow! I got hit in the back. Oh boy. Look at the lights. Rave party. Rave party. Rave party. Rave party. There's Marvin. There's Marvin. That's where he's been hiding. Oh! Look, oh, great. Great. I got a hit. Oh, my socks and my shoes.
Oh, no!
Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, you're getting it. Oh, yeah. Look in. Oh, you're getting slammed. No. Oh, God. Oh, we're good. He got the worst of it. Oh, my God. I usually don't get wet on this ride, but that was the wettest I've ever gotten. Look at all the water. And my shoes are wet.
Until the attendant advises you that it's safe to leave the raft.
Wow.
That was crazy. No water damage.
For your safety, keep your hands and feet inside
Was
the
that
raft at
fun?
all times.
That was...
Remain seated in an upright position.
My pants are
so.
soaked.
Advises you that it is safe to leave
I don't ever spun that fast on that raft. I was like, whoa!
That was fun.
That's definitely a rideable ride. Now it's definitely up there. That was way better than last year.
I know.
Keep your hands and feet inside the raft at all times. Remain seated in an upright position until the attendant advises you that it is safe to leave the raft.
Every single part of my body is...
I guess being this hot, that's a good thing.
Yankee River next?
My shorts are not... You're going
Inside the raft.
I'm wet.
What do you say, Yankee River?
Yankee Clipper. You call it Yankee River?
Yankee Clipper.
Clifford?
Yankee River!
It's Ice Mountain Splash.
Ah, wow.
It did at one point.
Wasn't it Disney World?
No. It was called Ice Mountain Splash one year, or a couple years. I got pictures.
Operate position until the attendant advises you that it is safe to leave the raft.
The good thing is that nobody bombed us with the guns over there, so that would have been worse. That would have been a lot worse. They can. Oh, you still got water over there? It still has a drain?
Do it! I don't know if I can reach you. You don't have to reach me.
She literally just
Yeah.
She's on you in particular.
Inside the raft at all times.